We are in the technological era, and one of the best ways of collecting data, creating surveys, and even grading assignments is by using Google Forms. In this video, I'm going to teach you a simple way of creating Google Forms from scratch and even how to manage the responses. Without wasting much time, let's get started. Okay, so just launch any browser of your choice. For the purpose of this video, I'll be using Microsoft Edge. Once it opens, just type google.com in the search bar. Once Google opens, just come to your top right hand side over here and click on these Google apps. Once Google apps opens, just scroll down and choose Google Forms. The Forms is here. Just click on Forms. When Forms open, Google is already having templates you can select from. Google is having a list of templates you can select from. But for the purpose of this video, we are choosing blank form. So we will click on blank form. Now that it has opened, let's check the features out. So this is where we are going to type our questions, and after we have sent the link to others, the responses will come here, and other settings is also here. So let's check it out one after the other. So the title of the question will be typed here. So let's assume it is science question. So you type science, then you go ahead and write the description, maybe answer only 2 questions or any description, you type it over here. Then we are going to type our questions over here. So let's see. Once you are done typing your question, you're going to select the type of question you are setting over here. So you click on the drop down and choose if you want the responder to type a short answer or a paragraph. Is it a multiple choice, or you want the responder to check boxes, or it is a drop down, or you want the responder to upload a file. So just choose the type of questions you are setting. So for the purpose of this video, this is a multiple choice question. Just click on it, and if you want to add or insert an image, you click here to insert the image. Then you are going to go ahead and type the options over here. Once you are done typing the first option, you can add more options by clicking on this add other. So you click, then you type. After typing, then you add more. Now let's check these buttons out. The first one, which is the plus with the circle around it, also allows you to add other questions. So let's assume you are done typing, maybe this is number 1 and you want to add another question. You just click on the plus over here, and another field will be open to you to type your question. So the next button also allows you to import questions. Let's assume you have already typed questions in Google Forms and you want to add that questions to these questions. You just click here, then you select the questions you want to add. So it will load over here. After loading, you just double click on the questions and it will be imported over here. Yes, select all, then import questions, and the questions will be added over here. And the next one, that's the T with the small t, also allows you to add another title. So let's assume you want to add title. You just click on it and it will open another title section for you to type your title. And the image symbol allows you to insert images. So let's assume you want to insert an image over here. So just click on add image, then you go ahead and select an image. Then you select the location of the image. So let's assume it is already on the PC. So I will click on browse. Then I'll select the image. Once it is selected, it will upload and then it will be inserted over here. So this is the image. And if you want to add any video to, you can just click on this video icon, then it will direct you to YouTube. So you just search, let's say, Great Filippo. So you just search for the video, then you double click on it and the video will be imported over here. Now let's check the last but not the least out. That is the section button. It also allows you to add sections to your form. Let's assume you are typing science questions and science have been divided into parts. So let's assume the first one is talking about physics. You can add another part that's asking questions or taking data about chemistry, and you add another section that's taking the data about maybe biology and others. When you check the top right hand side over here, we are also having another buttons over here. The first one is the customize theme. It allows you to change or select a particular color for the form. So if you want to select a certain particular color, you just select your preferred color here. Or you want to choose an image as your header, you can select that one here. The size of your header, the size of your questions, and the text size too, you can set it over here. Once you are done setting it up, you just click on this button to close it. The second button is called the preview. The preview allows you to see how the forms will look like in the respondent's phone or device. So if you want to see how it will look like, you just click on the preview and just scroll down and see how it will look like. Now let's get back. The third button is undo. It allows you to undo any actions, and the fourth one is also redo. The fifth one is copy responder link. This button also allows you to copy the link and send it to others so that they can fill. And the last one is share. This also allows you to share the access with others. Once you are done setting up your form, just click on publish. And then you can manage how the respondents Once you are done setting up your form, just click on publish. Then you can also manage to either allow respondent to make changes or to not make changes. So for that one, you can just click on manage, and for that one, you can give them access to edit or restrict them from editing. Once you are done setting it up, just click on done and you are good to go. So it will bring you back here. Just click on publish and you are done setting up your Google Forms. Before you go to the responses, you can restrict users from filling the form by clicking on the published. Then you turn this one off. Maybe it was supposed to last for a certain period of time. Just turn it off and click on save. Now let's go to the responses. Once anyone enters data or opens the form to fill the form, the response will come over here. So you just click on the form and the number of responses will come over here so that you can manage. Okay, so someone have opened the form, so let's check it out. And the response is over here. If there is anything you don't understand or anything you want me to talk about, just leave it in the comment section and I will sort you out. This video is proudly sponsored by Golden Media GH. He's having a wide range of content from blogging, farming, talent training and modification and many more. Kindly check me out on all social media platforms at Golden Media GH. If you haven't subscribed, please hit the subscribe button now, and also don't forget to like this video. Thank you for watching.
Fill a bow on the mic, watch me flow. Tech reviews coming fast in the show. Gadgets glow, laptops in a row. Step into the future, watch me grow. Slice through specs to the edge. Facts unboxing tech like money in stacks. Gonna draw beats in light acts. Tech to the world, this knowledge exact. Tech guru Filippo bringing the heat. Futures in your hands, feel the beat. From devices to screens, ain't no cheat. I'm the tech king, bow at my feet. Review the latest phones, clear and crisp. Every detail sharp, never miss. From awkward to the globe, here's a twist. Tech scene, history with the twist of bliss. Innovative phones, clear and crisp. Every detail sharp, never miss.